Brittany. From the day we met, it didn't take me long to realize that you simply make everything in life better. I can honestly say I didn't know true happiness and love before you and I met. The Bible tells us that Jesus will come back like a thief in the night, but it failed to warn me about a Brittany coming into my life and taking me by storm. Hence why you took me by complete surprise when you came into my life on January 6, 2016. You opened my eyes to the reality that there are soulmates that are meant to be. Over the course of our relationship, you became my best friend, my biggest fan, except for Mom, my teammate, my lover. You became the person I can't imagine ever waking up without. Yeah, I held back the tears this time.
Did you?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try really hard. Are you excited for about 30 minutes from now?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Very.
Wow, that's a beautiful dress.
I know. You like it?
Yes, I do. I'm proud of you.
Tanner, our big day is finally here. Today I get to walk down the aisle at my dream wedding with our friends and family to say our vows and marry my best friend. The love and passion that we share for each other has my heart at peace that you are my forever mate. I have never met a man more kind, loving, and tender as you, and my heart is full having the honor to be picked and placed in your life as your wife. I am filled with love and joy to know that you're going to be by my side, starting a family, raising children, and I know that you are going to be an amazing father. You give that one-of-a-kind love that is rare, and most not get to experience that once in a lifetime. And for that, I'm forever grateful.
Those whom God hath joined together, let no one put asunder. Amen.